Hello.
Oh, hi. How you doing?
Good, thanks. What are you gonna get?
Not sure yet.
What can I get you?
Do you have any fish left?
No, sorry. It's all gone today.
Oh, okay. Is that beef curry?
Yes.
I'll have that. Oh, and some rice, please.
The same for me.
Okay.
Ooh, they have lemonade. Do you want some?
No, thanks. I'll just have water.
Are you sure? It's fresh.
Well, okay.
2 lemonades, please.
Sure. Ice with both?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes, please.
Conversation 2.
Are you finished?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Everything was very good. Would you like any dessert?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
We have apple pie and chocolate cake. Both are homemade and they're very nice.
I'll have the apple pie.
Yes, me too.
Oh, can I get some vanilla ice cream with mine?
Sure.
Oh, no ice cream for me, just the pie.
Oh, okay. And would you like coffee?
Yes, please. Black coffee would be great.
Sir?
No coffee for me. Can I have some hot tea?
Certainly. So it's 1 coffee and 1 tea.
Thanks.
Conversation 3.
Wow, it's hard to choose, isn't it? There's so much.
I'm pretty hungry. Oh, this chicken looks good. I'm gonna have some. Can I give you some?
Oh, no thanks. I don't eat chicken. I'll just have some salad.
Ooh, this potato salad looks nice.
I just want some of this mixed salad. It looks really fresh, doesn't it?
What, is that all you want? Take some more.
Oh, no, I have enough. I'll come back later if I'm still hungry. Oh, there's soup. I didn't notice that.
Ooh, I'll have some of that. You too?
Oh, not today.
Now, where are the drinks?
Oh, over there. Look. What can I get you?
Is there any orange juice?
Yeah, a big glass or a small one.
You know me.